Michael Scott Doleac, born June 15, 1977, is an American former professional basketball player. Doleac was selected 12th overall in the 1998 NBA draft by the Orlando Magic. He graduated from Central Catholic High School at Portland, Oregon, and in 1998 the University of Utah after being their premier big man in a season in which they made it to the 1998 NCAA National Championship game, in which they lost to the University of Kentucky in Doleac's hometown of San Antonio, Texas. After 4 years at Utah, he was among the school's all-time top 10 in 3 categories: 10th in scoring, 1,519 points, 8th in rebounds, 886, and 4th in free throws made, 472. In 2001, Doleac was traded from the Magic to the Cleveland Cavaliers for Brendan Haywood. Doleac later played for the New York Knicks, Denver Nuggets, and Miami Heat, where he won a championship coming off the bench to back up Shaquille O'Neal. In 1999, he was named to the NBA All-Rookie Second Team. Doleac retired after a 10-year NBA career after the 2007-2008 NBA season. He retired as a member of the Minnesota Timberwolves, who acquired him, along with Antoine Walker and Wayne Simeon, in a deal that brought Mark Blount and Ricky Davis to the Heat. After retirement, Doleac returned to the University of Utah, initially planning to pursue a medical degree, but switched to studying for his master's in physics. In 2009, Doleac became a graduate manager for the University of Utah men's basketball team. Currently, Doleac teaches physics and coaches the men's varsity basketball team at Park City High School in Park City, Utah. NBA career statistics. Regular season. Playoffs. Notes. External links. NBA.com profile, Michael Doleac.